Page 12, taps. Should be in the key of F major. They don't put a flat in. Well, we'll get into that. It's here. You're basically in the same position you were in for the previous piece. Most of this is in the left hand. That's okay. You'll have a pickup beat of 2/8 notes. So we're coming in on beat 4. So it's 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Like so. And these are the notes we're using throughout in the left hand, and the right hand gets one note on the second line, second measure. It gets the C. It's the only note it gets. The left hand gets everything else. Phrasing wise, the first line's all one phrase into the second line. Before you play the 8th notes in the first measure of the second line, lift up so we get a little silence. So it's in 2, 3. Make sure we get that, and then in the third measure overs. Before you play those 2/8 notes, lift up so we get a little longer silence than what you normally get when you play repeated notes on a piano. 2, 3, and then the last bit, it's tied. You're going to hold that F down for 7 counts. Now, since I don't have a lot to explain in this piece, I want to point out again why I say off at the end of every piece. Look at the end of this piece. We have this, and you're tying it in that last measure. It'd be 1, 2, 3, off. Is because a beat ends when the next beat starts. So here, 3 counts, this would end on beat 4. Because there's 4 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes up on beat 4. The problem is there is no beat 4 here. Beat 4 was at the beginning. So at the end of a piece, we don't have a beat. So I say off to represent the beat that's not there. So off means lift up. We're done. That's really about all we have to play. It's about all I have to point out. This is a slow, sorrowful piece. It's soft. It's intended to be soft. It's usually off in the background somewhere. You're hearing it in a distance. So it's very solemn, very solid. Just keep it low key. So let's play it together slowly so we can double check this rhythm and all this stuff. Notes should not be a problem. So I'm going to give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. So go ahead and put your left hand here and your right hand here. 1, ready, and go, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3. Off.